Hi everyone, happy Wine Wednesday. Wanted to show you another one of my favorite snacks, the hot dog, which you can have it as a meal as well. Of course, I'm gonna have my spin on it in terms of elevating what I find is the hot dog. So here are our ingredients. We have tomatoes, we have iceberg lettuce, onions, we have Scotch bonnet peppers, optional for those people who like it spicy. We have all the condiments here, which I'll put to the side. And my twist is this crab meat, crab claw meat, and homemade garlic butter. If you don't like garlic butter, fine, don't use it. You can also use store-bought if you do want to use it, and if you don't have homemade stuff. You have buns here that will fit my favorite type of dog, the Costco hot dog. So let's cut this open and throw it and get the process going. So it is Wine Wednesday. I want to feature this Chilean wine that we have. Should pair well. It's a Cabernet Sauvignon, so let's pour a bit out and give it a try. Very nice. Give it a little more time, then pair it with the hot dogs, see if it actually makes sense. Now the hot dogs are almost ready, and I like my buns soft. So we have I put 3 dogs in, so we'll put 3 buns in. Get them steamed up. You'll have definitely a nice texture.
A few moments later.
So the buns are almost ready. Only take a few minutes to steam to get them softened up. Grab a plate, take the buns off. Grab the hot dogs, put them on this cutting board here. Generally, I eat 2 to 3, which is why you see 3, just in case I get a little more hungry, I'll eat all 3. And the bun's hot, nice and soft. So my approach is to put the condiments first. Oops. Put the dog here. Bit of onion. Then you got our tomato. And forget our pickle. Crispy iceberg lettuce. And the star of the show, the crab meat, the claw crab meat. Be very generous with the crab. Don't ask me why, it just works. As you can see, I spread it out very liberally. And what I find also works, again it's optional, is garlic butter on top of the crab meat. Not too much, just a little. It'll add another depth of flavor. And then I like it spicy, so we're gonna put a few Scotch bonnet peppers. And here it is. So let's give this a try. It is definitely a mouthful, and I'm gonna try to grab everything on my first bite. That just works, it's very good. Let's try a pair with wine. Not bad, not a bad pairing. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoy this recipe.